Welcome back to IT Hub, your go-to destination for simplified learning in the world of IT. Today, we're diving into the wonders of Boolean algebra, demystifying the complexities and making it as easy as pie. Ever wondered how these logical operations shape the digital world around us? Well, you're in for a treat. I'm Vishwajit Vam, your guide through the realm of ones and zeros. But before we unravel the mysteries of Boolean algebra, hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell. Trust me, you won't want to miss this journey into the heart of digital logic. Ready to transform confusion into clarity? Let's get started.
What is Boolean algebra? Boolean algebra is nothing but just a mathematical structure or set of mathematical instructions that are used in digital circuit design, programming, and computer science. Boolean algebra. It deals with binary variables and operations, where having only two possible values, true, 1, or false, 0, or we can say that it always works on these two values 0 and 1. History. George Boole, 1815 to 1864. Boole was a British mathematician and logician. He is known as father of Boolean algebra. In 1847, he published a seminal work titled The Mathematical Analysis of Logic, where he laid the foundations for this algebraic system. Claude Shannon, 1916 to 2001. Claude Shannon was also a mathematician. In 1937, he was studying at MIT. He figured out that you could use this Boolean algebra stuff to make electrical circuits. It is a bit like using the rules of true and false to make things happen in electronics. This discovery was an important thing because it's one of the reasons we have computers and cool electronic gadgets in our daily life. So, credit of Boolean algebra also goes to Claude Shannon.
1. Binary variables. Times in Boolean algebra, we work with things that can either be true, like saying yes, or false, like saying no. These are the only two options such as true and false. True is represented as 1, and false is represented as 0. 2. Logical operations. Boolean algebra generally uses four main operations to work with these two values that are true and false. A and, think of multiplication. B or, think of addition. C not, think of saying the opposite. D complement, a little extra. And, think of multiplication. Times imagine you have two things, let's call them A and B, times anding or multiplying A and B is like A and B must be true for the result to ing both true. It is like saying, is it sunny and am I happy? If both are true, then the overall statement is true, otherwise false. Times it is also known as conjunction. Or, think of addition. Times picture having two things, A and B, times ORing or adding A and B is like psi, at least one of them needs to be true for the result to be true, otherwise false. Times for example, is it sunny or am I inside? If either is true, then the overall statement is true. Not. Think of saying the opposite. Times if something is true, not true makes it false, and if something is false, not false makes it true. Means it makes the value opposite. Times it's like flipping the situation. Times it is also known as negation. Complement, a little extra. Times complement is like the extra touch in Boolean algebra. Times it involves taking the opposite of something. If you have a true statement, the complement is false, and if you have a false statement, the complement is true. Applications of Boolean algebra. It is like a tool that is used in different areas such as computer science. It helps computers make decisions based on true and false var. Digital electronics. It's used to design circuits in devices like computers, calculator and phones. Information theory. It also helps in managing and processing information effectively. As we reach the end of our Boolean algebra adventure, I hope you found this exploration both enlightening and enjoyable. Glowing star, if you've got questions or want to delve deeper into the world of digital logic, don't hesitate to drop a comment below. Remember, the journey doesn't end here. Head over to itanshub.in for comprehensive notes on Boolean algebra and other IT essentials. Your understanding matters, and our user-friendly content is tailored just for you. Thank you very much.